Hi, welcome to Life by Design. I hope you've had a great holiday and back to start school again. Today I want to speak to you about level 2. Congratulations firstly on finishing level 1. I am so proud of your children. They've done phenomenally well. I really enjoyed doing the class with them because I saw the response was at such a deep level. They really understood the concepts. I'm sure you noticed the change too, so I don't need to stress on how great level 1 was. That's something we all know. I want to talk to you about what is it exactly I'm doing in level 2. In level 1, what I had really explained to them about was how to love yourself and gain your self-esteem from within. Level 2 is once your self-esteem is already at a certain height, how to maintain it at that level. So basically what we're talking about is earning your self-esteem. Self-esteem is very deeply connected to self-confidence. And what I believe is that, to gain confidence, you need to take small risks, small steps at a time to, and as you succeed in that, you get confident. So this is what level 2 is going to be about. Making them do things that is slightly outside their comfort zone, but really small, tiny steps that will really gain, give them that confidence and thus give them a high self-esteem. What are these small steps going to look like? Nothing much, just getting them in front of the whole room and speaking about what they're passionate about. What I am feeling over the holidays, the more I have studied, the more I have realized that the education system in so many ways kills our passion. And there's a deep connection between passion and self-esteem. I say passion changes everything. When you know what you really want to do, if you know your son loves cooking, then you've seen him in the kitchen and how he behaves there. If you know your son loves playing cricket, then you know how you don't need to even put an alarm in the morning. He will run for cricket class. So what that does is basically you don't need to motivate your child. He's self-inspired, and that's what I will tap into in level 2. Tapping into their passion will totally bring their self-esteem up. You will notice as soon as their self-esteem will come up, how their grades go up, how their connection with the people around them. It's a different person altogether. You just become so awake, so aware, so energetic, enthusiasm. All of those things start to flow inside of you. I am super excited about level 2. I can't wait to do it with the kids. And if any one of you needs to have a one-on-one conversation with me on exactly what I'm going to do, I would love to take you through the curriculum. But up until then, have a great day and I will see you all on Saturdays. Thank you. Bye-bye.